Welcome to this lesson. This lesson is divided into 4 sections, namely 1. The characteristics of the 21st century educator. 2. The responsibilities of effective educators. 3. The educator and social media. 4. Autocollage and teaching. Let's get started. If we take a careful look at ourselves and the characteristics that we display as educators, effective educators seem to display certain characteristics, while ineffective educators tend to make the same mistakes repeatedly. In the reading 5 Characteristics of an Effective 21st Century Educator, Sternberry's list is an effective 21st century educator. 1. Anticipates the future. 2. Is a lifelong learner. 3. Fosters peer relationships. 4. Can teach and assess all levels of learners. 5. Is able to discern effective versus non-effective technology. Read the 5 characteristics of the effective educator to understand the characteristics of an effective 21st century educator. Characteristics makes us who we are. People and animals have certain characteristics that make them unique. Pause this video and think about yours. An educator wears a variety of hats. The main task of a traditional educator was to provide information. But you're not a traditional educator. You are a 21st century educator, and you have different roles and characteristics. Responsibilities of an effective educator. What is your role as an educator? Do you agree that an effective educator must facilitate learning to allow learners to reach their full potential? What does it take to be an effective educator in the 21st century? An effective educator today has the same qualities as in the past. Qualities such as enthusiasm, a dedication, and excellent communication skills, as well as a passion for continued learning and professional growth. The difference for the 21st century educator is the ability to incorporate technology and social media to increase learner engagement. Do you know that you can change the world of your learners? You are not just an educator, you are an agent of change. Watch the Educator's Anthem in the additional materials folder. Educators must be role models who inspire and encourage their learners to strive for greatness, live their full potential, and see the best in themselves. A role model is admirable and aspired. What type of educator do you want to be? The math educator has helped you explore numbers and calculations, or the English educator who delivered creative lessons. The educator and social media. Watch these 2 interesting videos in Unit 1 and Show Me Videos folder. The first one will be Facebook Your Classroom, WhatsApp in Education. You can also use your cell phone and social media for teaching. Go to the YouTube way, see Reading 6 to find out how you can download videos from YouTube on your computer. You go to the App Store or Play Store on your cell phone to download a YouTube downloader.